I will show you how to make the tastiest, crispiest fried chicken. Moist on the inside, crispy on the outside. And we will make the simplest marinade using fish sauce. That's right, fish sauce. Okay, here's our chicken that we marinated last night. All we have to do is take it out of the bag and leave most of the moisture in the bag. Look at that, guys. That is the tastiest, crispiest fried chicken that you will eat in Thailand. Absolutely awesome. Oh, we gotta give it a go. I can't wait any longer. Oh, let's start with it. Let's get a drumstick. Look at that. Huh? Listen, crispy on the outside. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's hot. Oh, oh, amazing. Oh, succulent on the inside. There's a fantastic flavour that runs all the way through this chicken with a slight sweetness to it, which is absolutely fantastic. Oh man, that, excuse me, that is amazing. Let's try a middle wing. Again, look. Get a crispy skin. Oh, look at that. Oh, fall off the bone, succulent chicken. Oh. That. That is absolutely fantastic. That is by far the best fried chicken. It is so simple and it is absolutely phenomenal in flavour. Succulent and moist on the inside with that nice crispy skin on the outside. Let's get some sticky rice. Oh guys, it's incredible. I can't even give the outro. Okay. It's that good I can't even give the outro. Okay guys, if you like what we're doing and you like real Thai food, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.